Okay, we're going to be replacing the fluids in our transfer case. It's a little over 1 quart for this, so you'll probably need two. We're going to need your transfer pump to put your fluid back into the transfer case, torque wrench, socket, drain pan, and then also the crush washers that have to be replaced every time that you remove the bolts. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and drain our transfer case. This is your fill plug, this is your drain plug. Always do your fill plug first. This is a 24 millimeter. All right. Okay, so this is almost empty. We're going to go ahead and change out the washers on our plugs. Okay, now you can see it's just barely dripping. We're going to go ahead and put our plug back in. We've put the new crush washer on. So we're going to go ahead and do our torque now. And it's going to be 27 foot-pounds. All right. And now we're getting ready to put our fluid into the top. Okay, now I moved over to the other side of the vehicle. I've got my tube in from a pump, and we're just going to pump. Okay, so we've got it full. It's overfilled, which is perfect. We're just going to let it drain until it finds its level. And then once it quits draining, we'll put our plug back in. Okay, we've come to just a few drips coming out, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe it, put our plug back in, and torque it. I've got my new crush washer on it. Okay, we're going to get a torque wrench, 27 foot-pounds, same as the drain. Okay. Get it cleaned off. And that takes care of the transfer case.